Welcome to the channel Money and Murthy, the channel which provides lot of opportunities for the youngsters to know finance and basic knowledge of accounting so that their performance in the interview will be far better and that sure lands you in a job. One of the other simple questions asked by the recruiter is, the recruiter said, look, I am a HR manager. I do not know anything about accounting and finance. Can you tell me what is the difference between accounting and finance? Simple question. Appear to be simple. Do not be, for example, tensed up. You just say accounting, as I told you in the earlier episode, it is a financial or monetary database. Accounting deals with recording. That is, I keep on recording how much I have spent, this much on salaries, this much on rent, this is the income I got from bank, this is the income I have got from my customers, this is the capital introduced, all those things. I put some money value and then enter them. That is accounting. Counting basically. But now comes to finance. In the case of finance, I think of the future, whereas accounting deals with the past. Already happened events will be recorded and hence it is historical, whereas in the case of finance you look into the future. So that is what kind of projects that the organization has to take up. If I want to take up these projects, what kind of assets I have to buy, how much on patents, how much on plant, how much on trademarks I have to invest. That is the investment decision. And for example, to do this I require money. Where do I get the money? What is my own contribution, called as the ownership contribution or owner's contribution, and how much I have to borrow. Am I to borrow short run, long run? In what form? Is it in the long term borrowing or by issuing bonds or debentures? That is what we call as the financing decision. What are the different sources from which I get the money so that the money will be used in the various investments or various projects that I am going to take. When I am doing this, what is the purpose? The idea is to maximize the wealth of the shareholder. I am not using anything technical. A company is there. A company's owners must be kept happy, smiling. How do I do that? I take up those projects which give me more money, which generates more wealth. That is any decision that a finance manager takes will have to ensure that the wealth of the shareholders or wealth of the owners is maximized. The third decision, which we call as the residual decision, is how much of the profit has to be given to you. Should I give 100% of the profit or should I keep some profit? That is called as dividend decision. I don't distribute entire profit to you. I'm a mother. I don't give the child the entire cake. Only a part of the cake I will give. Rest of the thing I'll keep it. Similarly, I'll keep the money for further expansion, future expansion, so that I'll be developing the much needed proteins to my organization. So guys and girls, please understand, accounting is a historical data. It keeps a history, a record of all the events, whether it is property, liability, expense, income, profits, losses, whereas finance is futuristic. It takes such decisions as where to invest, whether to invest, from where I have to get the funds, how much I have to give to the shareholder or owner. This is all basically the difference between accounting and finance. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please do not forget appending your comments in my channel. Thank you.